Hi, this is Ken with WTI, and this is the Real Techniques 202 makeup brush. And this is my go-to brush for a makeup application. Whenever I'm doing my foundation, I like to use this brush just with half of a pump of my makeup bottle. I can cover most of my face. It blends beautiful. I hardly have to put much effort into blending, not much pressure. Pretty much the brush does all the job. The bristles are incredibly soft and super gentle on my skin. So it's a streak-free application. It's very smooth. It covers evenly through all my face. I like that it doesn't leave behind any patchy spots. And I like that because that gives me a very natural look. And that's my point of view.